And oh my god, I saw you last week. What happened? Cabbages, they're all cabbages. Orders are done. Yeah. That's the bag with the rabbit feed. These are my orders. And oh, the red ones need to go to the rabbits. But considering how many orders I have, I can't carry that many. Just look at them. Just look at them. It is currently, oh my god, did I step on that? Sorry. It is currently 8:29. And oh my god, I saw you last week. What happened? Ugh. I just want like a normal size like this one. You know? Because why? Why you gotta be so, oh my god. Why you gotta be so large? Fine then, grow. Far be it from me to tell you to stunt your growth for my sake. But please, like, stunt your growth a little bit for my sake. Because what do you mean? My god, we have to remove, like, all this. So that we can see all this. The abundance is being hidden. Like, way inside. And that's how they're getting worms, because you want to put sticks on them and make them stand. You're watching this, oh my goodness. Now this can't see. I just shouted, oh my goodness. Brownie. Okay, it's all up. Don't get in. Oh. Never mind. Savi. No. Savi. You just want to stay here with me. Oh, okay. Hey, Titi. Hey, Brownie. Okay. So, let me head to the one I just... Oh my god, who did this? There's such a large space here. And let me go to the one I just saw right now. So I can show you the monstrosity. What? Okay, no fighting. Not right now when I'm deep in the trenches. No fighting when I'm in the trenches. Okay, maybe I don't get this game. No, look at that monstrosity. And then I tell people in my status, I have the size you want. They just be laughing. They be thinking I'm making innuendos. This is not an innuendo. No, but look at those greens. Ooh. Can we smile at the greens? My last dog, the older one, is over there just chilling. Hi, baby. That one. You can't even see him properly. Cabbages, they're all cabbages. And does that feel like a song I've had? Oh, savages! Pocahontas! Wow. Brownie, I will whoop you. Kanyanga cabbage tena. Step on the cabbage again. Savi? For once, you're a good girl. Brownie, songa na uko. No, move like that. I just don't want you to breathe. Ah, my spinach. If you two fall on my green, it's like I'm talking to nobody. Go play over there. Go, shoo. Go play over there. Go play on that side. Brownie, go play there. No chogonangi can go serious. Good, now play there. Good. Except when I smile, you'll come back here and I don't want that. So I'm not smiling. No. Stay. Good boys. I mean, good boy and girls. Good babies. There's my good babies. Titi. Hi. She just doesn't want to be bothered, and I get it. Okay, let's continue harvesting for those orders. This cabbage just wowed me. Wowed me. Orders are done. Like, look at how cute that looks. Okay, and this is one, this is two. This one, like some for her chickens and some for herself, so she gets to choose. These ones are not done yet, but like just a few left, like 20 shillings worth to fill it up. So yeah, we're about to go back up.
Mati pa dito, mati.